Look at that. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. They are lightly golden brown. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and give it a taste test. On today's menu is herbed collard greens and spinach balls. Oh my goodness, they are amazingly delicious. We're going to be starting off with frozen collard greens and spinach. You are more than welcome to use fresh. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me once again, and channel members, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. Okay, we're going to first drain these. They have been thawed and rinsed. We're going to drain them using our salad spinner. There are quite a few things that a salad spinner can be used for besides just draining your salad. So we're just going to put this in here. This is the spinach. And of course, as always, I'll have all the exact ingredients and measurements in the description just below the video so that you all can make it in your kitchen too. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get all the water out that you can from your spinach and your collard greens, whether it's fresh or frozen. You want to make sure they're not soggy. After you've got them all drained, go ahead and put them in a big bowl. We're going to be adding all of our ingredients all at once in here and giving it a good mix. If you don't have your oven preheated, go ahead and make sure it's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now, I'm just chopping up some onion to go in here. Then we'll be putting in the rest of our ingredients. Okay, as we're putting in our additional ingredients, there's really no rhyme or reason to it. We're going to be adding in some olive oil, two large beaten eggs, got some parmesan here, seasoned breadcrumbs, cooked and crumbled bacon. I am using about a tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning. You can get yours with the link above. Also, I'm adding in some oregano, thyme, and sage, all from my garden at the Scaredy Cat Gardener on YouTube. Again, I'm not measuring right here. I never do, but I will have the specifics for you guys down in the description. You just want to make sure that this is all well combined. And this is a little sage here. And you can add a little salt and black pepper to your taste. Okay. Okay, get you a baking tray and put some parchment paper on it. And I like to put just a little bit of olive oil in my hands because when forming the balls, the collard green balls, it's going to help not stick to your hand. I'm using my little scooper here just to kind of get them roughly about the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. You want to just press it together like that and form it into a nice little ball. Put them on the parchment paper. Make sure when you put them on the parchment paper, they are not touching. Okay, we are getting ready to go in the oven, and this is what they should look like before they go into the oven. We are going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through. We'll be back. Oh my goodness, look at that. Don't they look amazing? Ooh, nice and golden brown. Oh my goodness. Ooh, they are so crispy. I'm gonna bring you all up closer so you can see me break one open. Ooh, if you all had smell-o-vision, this would be amazing. Look at this. Let me break it open for you guys. Oh my goodness. See the inside, all the onions and the parmesan. Oh my goodness. Now, you know we have to do a taste test. Okay, before we do our taste test, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Don't forget to check out my gardening channel at The Scaredy Cat Gardener. Everyone else that is a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And my channel members, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is amazing. If you could just smell it, let's go ahead and give it a taste test. The bacon has a little crunch. The onions have a little crunch. And you can saute your onions first if you want them to be that soft. But I like to have a little texture in my food, and everything is blending together. The parmesan, the breadcrumbs, and I did use seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use plain ones if you want. Oh, this is so delicious. You all have got to try it and let me know what you think. You know what time it is. It is time for me to go and eat. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.